Well, welcome back. This is Uncle Russ. Welcome back to Second Chance Garage. We're going to try to clean the battery terminals on this tractor, and we're going to put it on charger and see if the battery will take a charge. So, I guess here we go. Let me see how you're looking there. Yeah, looks like you can kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, there's a little lever on the inside of this here bar, this push bar, that you gotta turn. And let the whole bar, push bar, fold down. Then there's a handle under here, you gotta pop. And then you just bring the hood straight up. And it's got a bar under here that locks. Now let's see if you can see the battery. Not really. Let's see if we can reposition you. Right. I'll put you over here. We'll try on the Thunder Chicken here. Let's see if we can't reposition it a little. Yeah, I think I'm stepping on a bucket. That's what that noise is. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see what's going on. All right. So this battery terminal is absolutely filthy. So I'm gonna try to take it loose. Wow, it is corroded. Huh. Okay, I gotta go get a wrench. See if I can find one that fits. Let's try a 3/8. See if we get lucky on the first shot here. The 3/8. Nope, bigger than a 3/8 by about 2 sizes. So we'll try a 1/2 inch and a 13/16. Yeah, today's the same day as I shot the last video. Oh, he says it's metric. Yeah, it's New Year's Eve day. Oh, it's New Year's Eve day, and yeah, like I said before, we got snow coming in, so I need the tractor, and this thing is crusty, and battery wasn't functioning and all that. So of course I replaced this battery a year after I got the tractor, and the tractor is an 06. And I think the original battery was good for, maybe it was 2 years, something like that. It wasn't good for very long, I know that. And I haven't jacked with it since. It's always started, but obviously the terminals are filthy dirty. Filthy dirty. It's a 10 millimeter. Boy, these things are. Okay, there's the terminals off of it, off the battery anyway. Huh. That's probably for my 12 volt cigarette adapter. It's not really a cigarette, it's it's a 12 volt. A 12 volt, let me think here, what you call accessory. This is a ground wire for it. Wow, that is nasty looking. Okay. Let's just, I do have a battery terminal cleaner. I suppose I could try, but it's looking pretty nasty. Yeah, it may do better than I thought. This is a new one. The old one was all crusty and nasty. Doing fairly good, I guess. Yeah, that actually cleaned it up pretty good. Okay. Now, if you twist this, I don't know if anybody's ever seen it. See, it's got wire brush in here. If you twist it, it's got a wire brush here that you can stick in your battery terminal. And wire brush the inside of it. Which cleans it up on the inside really good. Don't take much. Okay, then, since the outside's so nasty, I'm gonna get one of the wire wheels for my drill to clean up the outside of that. Okay, I'll just use this little one. Let me come around here. Alright. Then I'm just going to put this in my drill. Okay. So that way I can clean up all of this. Okay. I don't know if you can see all the corrosion flying off of this thing. There is 8 on it. That's got cleaned up a lot better than what it was. Okay, it's got the positive cleaned up pretty good. Yeah, let me get the bottom of it. Okay, that's pretty good for that one. Now I gotta take the negative off. It's not near as crusty as the yeah, it's not near as crusty as the positive was. Positive was really bad. But usually when you get corrosion, yeah, it's still pretty crusty. Okay, getting there, Okay. All right. That's good enough for that one. Now, I gotta run my cleaning tool through here on the outside. There you go. Now we gotta get this on the inside. Get it good and cleaned up. Yeah, looks good. Now, ouch. It's hard on the guy's back. You just take this and you just, there's a notch. You twist it. This back together. Stick it on there. Go a couple different ways with it. Get that thing all cleaned up nice. It's getting there. Don't take much with these things. They do a pretty good job. They're cheap. Just buy them at the... Yep. There we go. Now, stick this back on here. Stick the ground cable in. 12 volt accessories. Plug in. Yep. All right. Tighten it back up. Get it all tight. Ouch. Okay. All right. There she is. Now, we go around to the other side here. Do the positive tape cable. Stick that on there. Positive cable goes in here. Yep, that goes in there. And I gotta hold this rubber flat back. Tighten it up. That's great. Okay. It's tightening up slowly but surely. It's going. Just taking a while. Boy, it's hard on the back being bent in this position. Wow, I loosened it up so much. I didn't know I did that. Huh. There, she's starting to swing up. Right. Now, almost. There she goes. There she's good and tight. Yeah. Good and tight. That's what we like. All right, now what we're gonna have to do is pop these caps off, and then I'll take the battery charger and put on here, and then that way when she starts to boil, she can boil and not build any pressure in the battery. Otherwise, you gotta have it again. Yeah, that's not a good thing. Let me get this off my foot. All right, let's put this stuff up real quick. Okay. That's up there for now. Let me get my straight-leg screwdriver. Here's one. All right. The rag, you can wipe the top of the battery off. Get the dirt and nastiness off of it so it don't go down in the battery. All right, there we go. Then you take your lids off. All right, let's just go like that from each end. Just twist the screwdriver and off they come. Oh man, the top of this battery is nasty. Look at that going down in my battery, so I gotta use a screwdriver and a rag to kind of wipe the crap away so you don't get any of it down the holes. I don't know that it would hurt it, but just the same, you just take your take your tip, lay it flat, slide it under the edge, and twist it from each end. Hey, there you go. Come off. I'll clean that before I get all this nastiness out of here. I was bush hogging with it. I don't know, a couple months ago. And I bush hogged 11 hours with it. Yep, I got a 5-foot bush hog for it. Yeah, I bush hogged 11 hours with it. Now those you can just lay on there. You can lay there just so they're loose, but I'll keep mine up here like this. And I gotta get under the tractor to find the other one that fell under the tractor. There it is. Hang on a second. You get it pulled out here. Ouch. Okay. We'll just wipe her down good with the rag and make sure it's good and clean. There we go. We'll just lay them up here for now. Yep. We'll just put them up here. Screw it. Put them up there for now. Okay, battery's clean. Terminals are clean. We go get the charger. This thing right here. Okay. Whoops. All right. Now, battery charger has options on it. This is okay. I don't know if you can see them, but basically you got you got this switch, you've got a 2 amp, a 12 amp, or a 75 amp boost. This one also has standard batteries, which is what this is, or marine batteries, which are for like boats and stuff. So we've got it set on the standard. We've got it on 2 amp because we're going to charge overnight. All right. And then you have to take, let me chase this down. Throw it over there. There's a plug-in for it. And then you have positive and negative. Red is hot, that's positive. Black is ground. So there's your negative. And here is your positive. Okay. Now we can just let these cables lay there. So you got that hooked up. Now I have to find the extension cord, which is laying right here. And plug it in. Over. Okay. Yeah. Plug it in over here. Run the extension cord across the garage floor. Ouch. Okay. Now, let me put you in a better spot here. Let me move you into a better spot. Okay. Let me get you moved here. Okay. I don't know if that's a better spot or not. We'll see. Okay. So now you got your positive hooked up to the red, your ground hooked up to the black. You've got the switches in the appropriate position on the charger. And you plug it into the extension cord or the wall, whichever. And this is a light that'll light up to tell you that it's charging it. It's got a little needle here, which you can't see, that tells you when it's facing almost straight in the middle. That tells you the battery's dead. The farther over it goes, that tells you it's a full charge, and it's got a green light right here that'll tell you it's fully charged. So we officially now have the terminals clean, and we have the terminals clean, and we have it on the charger. We got it on 2 amp, and it'll charge at 2 amp overnight. And then tomorrow, it'll either have a full charge on it, or it'll be completely dead. And that, if it's completely dead, that tells you that your battery is shot. So, anyway, that's where we're at right now. So let me take you over here. Set you down over here a minute. Wow. I can't see anything. Okay. There. All right. So anyway, honestly don't know if you can see me or not, but anyway, if you like it, subscribe. Just thought I would put it on the charger to see if the battery was any good, and then if not, I'll know that I have to go get another one. I can always jump start it with my Andrew jump box to do the plowing tomorrow if I have to. But anyway, that's just the way it is. So if you like it, subscribe. Second Chance Garage. Uncle Russ out.